Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEBS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Idea English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the student of class 8 student, and our today's topic chapter 2 extra question 4, 5, 6. Look at the board, student. This is class 8, subject ICT, lecture number 16 and homework number 13, and our today's topic chapter 2 extra question 4, 5, 6. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board, my dear student. This is chapter 2 extra question answer 4, 5 and 6. So question number 4. What is network? Describe the functions of router to design a network. Answer. A computer network is a digital telecommunication network that allows nodes to share resources. In computer networks, computing devices exchange data with others using connections between nodes. Functions of router to design a network. The technology that is used for sending data from one computer to another computer by using network is called router. So this is called router. This device which is used for this data transfer is called router. The word router originated from root. Router is a very important device which is made from hardware and software. It is used for making network connections. Router is used to connect two active networks under the same protocol. The main job of router is to show the route of data or information. Suppose someone wants to send a photo to a friend staying in Australia. Staying in, here is in. Staying in Australia. The image, after being divided into several data packets, will reach the friend's computer through internet. As the internet is globally extended like a web, the data packet can reach the destination through different routes. When it reaches a router, it gives the direction of how it can reach the destination easily and quickly. Intelligence is given into router so that it can find out the shortest way to communicate data from one network to another network. So my student, this is our answer of question 4. Now we'll start question number 5. Question number 5. What is satellite? Explain the role of it in communication technology. Answer. A satellite is an object that has been intentionally placed into orbit. Satellite orbits around the Earth while floating in space. As it moves with the help of the Earth's gravity, no fuel or energy is spent to keep it moving in space. If the satellite can be made to orbit once every 24 hours, the Earth, from the Earth, it will appear motionless in the sky. The satellite is called Geostationary Satellite. It cannot be placed at just any height. It should be placed in a certain orbit at least 36,000 kilometers above the ground. Once this satellite is sent to space, signals from one corner of the world are sent from there, and satellite resends it to the other corner. The signals can be sent through the radio, telephone, mobile phone and internet. Bangladesh has also sent a satellite named Bangabandhu Satellite 1 on 12 May 2018 in the space. This will play a pivotal role in building a digital Bangladesh by 2021. So my dear student, this is the answer of question 5. Now question 6. State the process of transferring data through optical fiber. Answer. Optical fiber is a kind of thin plastic glass. High signal is sent through the optical fiber as electrical signal is sent through electric wire. Through infrared light, light signal is sent through optical fiber. First, electric signal is transformed into light signal. Then the light signal is sent through optical fiber. On the other hand, light signal is transferred into electric signal. In this way, signal can be sent through optical fiber. It is possible send a large number of signals through optical fibers. Thousands of telephone calls can be sent through a signal optical fiber. This is the data transfer process through optical fiber. So my dear student, this is the answer of question 6. And look at the board, my dear student, your homework number 13 and question number 5 will your homework. Look at the board, student. This question number 5 will your homework. Okay. This question number 5 will your homework, and homework number 13 question number 5. So my student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Will do your homework and stay safe at your home. See you again inshallah.